Our Ogbono soup is ready, guys. Look at that, looking so yummy and it tastes so delicious. So let me quickly show you how you can make the easiest Nigerian soup. This is the most easiest Niger soup that anybody can cook within a few minutes. This is the kind of meat that you will not stay long in the kitchen. So this is my good meat already boiled. So the meat was too much. I had to separate it because I don't want to cook like I'm cooking the last supper. So this is my ogbono. I already put it on a fry pan. The good meat is already boiled. So after boiling the good meat, make sure to season it with your seasoning of your choice. And I added crayfish. After adding crayfish, I brought in the palm oil. So the pepper I had was not enough, so I had to put extra pepper by the side. And this is the blended ogbono. It was nicely blended and it was so fine. So I had to bake it on a fry pan for a couple of minutes, so it was easy for me to blend it using the dry part of the blender. So when putting the ogbono, the soup has to be boiling like so it mixes and incorporates nicely. You cannot put ogbono in cold water, it would not be nice. It has to be in hot boiling water. So this is my ogbono soup. It is ready and doesn't take time to cook. And this is the swallow. I'm going to be eating it with this ogbono. And I also made egusi for somebody who will not want to eat ogbono, but my husband mixes both soup. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.